no matter how different our cultures are, no matter how diverse we are, there will always be a way for us to achieve true peace. And there's always hope for peace in this world.
Ang kwentong Mga Tanod ni Kalinaw ay kwento ng inklusyon at ito ay isang palagay ko si Kong George na ang nagkakampyon sa atin para sa inclusion sa mga paaralan.
We are very thankful po to have the opportunity na mapanood po yung ginawa po nilang play. We hope po na sa next time po is yung school naman po is magkaroon po ng ganong gawain para po yung mga students po as well as po yung mga iba pa pong kabataan is ma-inspire po katulad po namin.
Salamat po sa lahat ng mga sumuporta at nanood ng Mga Tanod ni Kalinaw, isang musical theater production by students of the Creative Learning Path School. Sana po ay abangan niyo pa ang mga ibang mga proyekto sa sining na syempre susuportahan ng aking minamahal na si Kong George Bocobo. So we're all for peace, we're all for inclusion. I'm really proud that the students are singing about peace and inclusivity.
Mom and Dad, thank you sa pagnonood. As usual, thank you so much for being there and supporting. You know, even though I wasn't really on stage that much, but thank you for supporting that good cause as well. Dad, thank you for letting, you know, the people of Taguig, kids from Taguig experience it also, because I'm sure it was a wonderful experience for them. Watch, you know, a full-length play. So thank you also for giving them this opportunity.
Napaka-grateful namin lahat dahil sa pagkakataon na binigay ni Ma'am Chi Bocobo para tulungan kami pagandahin at isulat ang napakagandang mga musika at lirika ng Mga Tanod ni Kalinaw.